All right, guys, you've seen the title in the thumbnail, and that cold weather is approaching us, and it's soup time. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this delicious marry orzo sausage soup. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of these ingredients. Back here, we have some Italian sausage. Now, right here, I'm using sweet Italian sausage. You can use mild or spicy. I really wanted to use spicy, but they didn't have the spicy, nor did they have the mild. So I just went with straight sweet Italian sausage, which would still give it a great flavor profile. Right here, we have our orzo pasta, diced tomatoes, chicken broth, chopped baby spinach here, Parmesan cheese. We have dry basil and dry oregano here, sun-dried tomatoes right here, black pepper, tomato paste, sazon completa. Now, if you don't have sazon completa, just use regular salt and pepper or any all-purpose seasoning. It's totally up to you. Heavy whipping cream, chopped onions, freshly chopped garlic. That's all you need. Let's get to it. All right, to get started, we're gonna heat up just a little bit of olive oil, not much, maybe like a teaspoon. We're gonna let that pot get hot. As that pan starts to heat up, we're gonna add our sausage, and we're gonna cook this until it's brown, crumbling it up as we go. All right, so it looks like we're finishing up the browning of our sausage. So next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with our onions, and we're gonna cook those for about 3 to 4 minutes in the same pot with our sausage. Now, after that 3 or 4 minutes, we're gonna go in with our garlic. I didn't add this on the list, but we're gonna add some red pepper flakes, our black pepper, our oregano and basil, and our sazon completa. And we're gonna get this mixed in for about another minute. And guys, this right here is gonna build that base of flavor that we're looking for this soup. All right, so after that minute or so, we're gonna go in with our tomato paste, and we're gonna get that mixed around in here real quick. You wanna see that tomato paste turn a little darkish red. Guys, I can tell you right now, this baby's smelling good already. Once we get that mixed in, we're gonna go in with our diced tomatoes. Gonna get that all mixed in. We're gonna get this well combined. Once we get that combined, we're gonna go in with our chicken broth. And we're gonna come behind that with our sun-dried tomatoes. We're gonna get this mixed up, and we're gonna bring this baby to a boil. All right, so once our soup starts to boil, we're gonna add in our orzo pasta. And we're gonna let this cook for 8 to 10 minutes until that pasta is tender. All right, so we're about 10 minutes in. We could take a look at our pasta right here, our orzo, and we can tell that baby is what we needed, al dente. At least I can. So now we're gonna reduce our heat to low. We're gonna add our spinach. And we're gonna cook this for another 2 minutes. Allow the spinach to wilt down. All right, so now after that spinach is wilted, we're gonna go in with our heavy whipping cream and our Parmesan cheese. And we're gonna stir this in until that cheese melts. So now our cheese has melted completely. We're gonna turn our heat off. Let's head over to our cutting board so we can take a final look and then jump into quality control. All right, guys, so now we're at our cutting board. We got our soup here. The only thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add just a little basil, fresh cut basil here to the top. You know we always add some of that green stuff no matter what it is. Gotta put some green stuff on there. And there you have it, guys. And there you have it. Marry Me Sausage Orzo Soup. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control because we gotta do a quick taste test. Let's go. All right, guys, you know it's quality control time. Let's bring these groceries. Man, we can't tilt it that much now, but I just want y'all to see these groceries. Well, you know what? I'll just take a spoonful just so y'all can see these groceries. Now, that's the way to see these groceries. Oh, man, look at them groceries. All right, let's go ahead and do a quick taste test. It's baby hot now. Oh, man. Just that little bite. Oh, man. Hey, this baby creamy. Tomato-y and spinachy. Don't forget sausagey. Listen, this soup is fire. Oh man, I like everything about this soup. From the sausage to the spinach, sun-dried tomatoes, the orzo pasta. Man, this all blends well together. So definitely add this as your first soup of the cold season. All right, guys, so remember, the measurements, the ingredients, the step-by-step recipe of how to make this is in the video description. Click that link. It's gonna take you to the website and you'll be right there. All right, guys, so until the end, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything, and remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.